Another SBR, and I'm actually under it. It doesn't say quarter size hail. Wait, it shipped it to me? I think it did. Let's go. I'm under an SBR.
Richmond County in southeastern New York. Kings County in southeastern New York. Southwestern Nassau County in southeastern New York. Until 7:45 p.m. At 6:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Tompkinsville or over the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, moving east at 50 miles per hour. 50 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Flatbush and Coney Island around 7 p.m.
7 p.m. It's on 95.5 FM.
Northeastern New Jersey. Kennedy Airport around 7:10 p.m.
Kennedy Airport.
Valley Street and Woodman around 7
Let's go. Woohoo.
City and Millbrook around 7:20 p.m. New York. Baldwin around 7:25 p.m.
Yeah.
Freeport around 7:30 p.m.
Let's freaking
For your
go.
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yes, sir.
Narrows Bridge.
It's in the Verrazano Narrows Bridge.
The severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Somerset and northeastern Middlesex counties will expire at 7 p.m.
Expect damage to
The storm which prompted the warning is moving out of the area into Staten
thunderstorm will
Island.
be near.
Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire.
Canarsie and Howard Beach around 7:05 p.m.
Until 10 p.m. for
Jamaica and
New
Kennedy
Jersey.
Airport around
For
7:10
severe
p.m.
weather, contact
Valley
your
Stream
nearest
and
law
Woodman around
enforcement agency.
7:15 p.m.
They will relay the
Garden
report
City
to the
and
National
Limerick
Weather
around
Service,
7:20
New
p.m.
Jersey.
Baldwin around 7:25 p.m. Freeport around 7:30 p.m. For your protection, move to an
Let's go.
interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yes, sir. Okay. Wait. Oh. It's in the EOM Tom's Lee. What the heck? Bro.